pizza is an American family favorite, but making it from scratch, well, that can take a long time. But if you know some supermarket shortcuts and have my recipe for mini English muffin pizzas, you'll have these on the table in about 5 or 6 minutes. Now, the first thing you're gonna do is get your English muffins and you're going to cut them in half, the top and the bottom, put it on your air frying rack. That's right, we're gonna use the air fryer to make these off. Not because we're worried about cutting down on fats and oils, but because we wanna take advantage of that convection oven inside. It's gonna cook these really quickly. Now, my second supermarket shortcut, your favorite jarred pizza sauce. Just put a nice tablespoon or so right on top of the English muffin half. You're gonna build this just like a traditional pizza. Sauce first, and then your toppings. Now, some Italian seasonings that I got from the spice cabinet. Give that a little dusting. And the only cheese that I tell you to buy pre-shredded is mozzarella. I don't really love trying to shred mozzarella. It's a very watery cheese. It's got a lot of liquid, hard to shred. So buy yourself a bag of pre-shredded mozz. That's another great supermarket shortcut. And top this with a generous amount. Now, I love pepperoni. That's my favorite pizza, but for these pizzas, I buy the mini pepperonis in the supermarket. That's another supermarket shortcut. Now, if you want to use other meats or just keep this cheese or even put chopped veggies on here, you could do that as well. So now let's pop these into the air frying oven. Remember, there's a convection oven inside, so these are gonna cook in only about 5 to 6 minutes. So we'll pop these right inside. Close this up. We've already got it set to 380 and 5 minutes. And in no time at all, we'll have bubbly, perfect personal pizzas.